Well, today we're going to show you the tram from Piccadilly Gardens in Manchester to Manchester Airport. Now, it does take a longer time than the normal train that I filmed on this channel, but we're going to show you nonetheless, and it brings you to the airport. Now, there's a number of stops, and I'll leave them in the link below. And also, it is suggested that you get a ticket for zone 1, 2, 3 and 4, as you will be travelling through all these zones. And the cost of the ticket is £4.80, and you can use credit card, tap on, tap off. But I got a paper ticket myself, and I think that's the way to go. So let's go, follow me through. And as you see, from Market Street we go St. Peter's Square, Cornbrook, Trafford Bar, Firstwood, Charlton, then Saltwater Park, and then we go to West Haw Park, Moore Road, Bogley, Roundthorne, Martin's Croft, Beach Hill, and then we head on towards Wainston Town Centre, and then on to Manchester Airport. Also, to take note, you must touch in and out at the start and end of each journey using contactless smart cards or the concessionary pass, and your ticket is okay. You don't need to tap in or tap out with that. Just go on and proceed ahead. So here we'll have a look. Now you should choose zone 1, 2, 3 and 4 as shown. As you choose zone 1, 2, 3 and 4, you'll see the prices here. £4.60 adult single. Select the single, adult 1, 2 or how many passengers you need. And there your paper ticket. You can pay by contactless payment also, or you can pay by tapping your phone on the pay reader at the side. Now here we'll get our train from Market Street. Take note of the shops surrounding here. You're not far from the McDonald's. There's a Costa Coffee right across from where you get the train, and you can see here displayed Manchester Airport. You can see also here the ticket machines at the stop, and it's also a handy map. So on we go for our train for today. You will see that there's ample room for large luggage storage, and there's seating, 2 position seating. There's also 4-person seating, and the middle carriage also has great room where you can sit down, and it has large luggage space in abundance. So we're now passing through Piccadilly Gardens here in Manchester. Market Street is but 3 minutes walk away, so you can get the tram also from the airport to Piccadilly Gardens should you wish to do so, and it's kind of a more direct route as opposed to using Northern Rail, where it bring you to Piccadilly Station, which is a bit further away. And if you have a hotel in Piccadilly Gardens, this is handy and central in the heart of Manchester. And also I leave just a short video of the hotel that I did stay in Piccadilly Gardens. It was only €60 per night. Now that's in the off season. Here you'll see the tram, and it will display the stops up here in green as shown. There's the seating positions, 2-person seating. I didn't find no USB charge points, but as I said, I will leave a short video also about the hotel I stayed in, and it's a pretty good hotel for the night and reasonably priced also. So let's head on towards Manchester Airport and see some of the great sights. And here we're just passing Manchester Art Gallery, which is near St. Peter's Square, and also there is a couple of good historical places to visit when you are here in Manchester.
Deansgate Castlefield, where you can change the National Rail and 3 buses to Ramsey Centre.
And as we do head up high and above over Manchester Bridge, we'll see the lovely high-rise buildings, and we'll get a great view over Manchester city centre as we make our way towards the airport.
This is a service to Manchester Airport. The next stop will be Cornbrook.
And a handy website is the B Network. That's the B Network. You can click onto it and it shows you the tram stops from Manchester, and it shows you the whole area map. You can download an area map for the whole zones in Manchester. You can pay by contactless payments. You can get travel cards, travel passes and such, and it is a handy network. So I'll just leave the name of that in the description here. Across the railway bridge you can see the remnants of an old type factory here, and the new style buildings, high-rise buildings being constructed here today. So it's great sights on the way to the airport, I must say.
I've got a man's top on. Yeah, look where it is over there, isn't that? Yeah.
Here you'll see that displayed above is the next stop, and it's on each carriage at the end kind of entrance. And here we take some lovely curves, some lovely shots as we travel and traverse through Manchester on the way to Manchester Airport. You'll see why it is advisable to get a ticket, as ticket checks are in place and you'll be thrown off just like this person here.
We are now approaching some work.
Further to note, this tram stops right at the escalator. As you go up, you can get the bus to National Express. You're right in that area. It's only 30 seconds less away. You get buses from National Express to Liverpool and on forth to different journeys. And I also have them on the channel also, should you wish to view them. Here we go, another curve shot. Are you ready for this one? You'll even see downloading the B Network. You can pay by Apple Watch. Here you'll see the Northern train, which I have a handy guide on the channel how to get from Manchester Airport to this Northern train station and onto Piccadilly station. More direct, not as many stops, so good alternative if you wish to choose. We disembark the train at Manchester Airport, and as we head off we just head up the escalators and we head towards the terminals. Terminal 3 is a 10 to 12 minute walk away, and we're going to have Flixbus coming up on the channel soon enough, and we're going to go through where the journey's from right now. So I hope you enjoyed that short video now, and we're here at Manchester Airport, and it does provide a helpful guide for you how to get to Manchester Airport. So our next video is going to be from London to Berlin, so all to look forward to. Do subscribe, hit the like button, cause absolutely none. Take care.